So this is NextStep, an AI-powered career and interview copilot designed to help users to move from resume preparation to job discovery, interview practice, and career growth all in one platform. So most students and job seekers, they use many separate tools for resume checking, job search, interview practice, skill planning, and career guidance. So what our app Next Step does, it brings all these workflows together and adds AI personalization at every step. There is a login portal where user can log in. There is also a registration portal where the users can register. So when the registration occurs, it opens the dashboard. So this is the basic dashboard which the user will get, where users can also see their charts of their performance trend, weekly test frequency, and topic distribution, and jobs, roadmap, mock interviews, quiz, resume generation, and chat. So we'll first start with the resume upload and analysis feature. So here we will choose file and we will upload our resume. We will enter our goals, for example, software developer, and job description like software developer must be knowing DBMS, operating systems, and tools. Now, when I click on process document, so the resume processing will take place. Here we can see the text is extracted and then the ATS is checked and the score is generated. So now what happens here is that users can upload a resume PDF and the system will extract the resume text, identifies the skills, goals, education, projects, and experience, and it will also perform ATS analysis by comparing the resume with the job description, and it will give a match score, missing keywords and present keywords, improvement suggestion, and an estimated application success rate. So this is one of the features of our, so here ATS score is 40%. So now on the basis of the another feature is the career goals and roadmap. So after parsing the resume, the next step it generates a personalized goal and skills. Now based on the uploaded resume and the bookmark jobs, it creates a learning roadmap. So the roadmap it shows the step-by-step skills to learn and the estimated duration and the useful learning resources. Now, even if the user is not bookmarked a job, the roadmap can be still generated from the resume details. Like here, step-by-step resources like fundamentals and then learn cloud computing, master DevOps practices, develop Microsoft specific skills, practice real world projects. Also, the link of the projects is also given alongside it. So, this is the step by step roadmap which is generated on the basis of a resume parsing and analysis. Now, the third feature is the job search. Next step also has a job search modules where user can search job by role and location. It fetches job by web scraping from multiple sources like LinkedIn, Naukri, and SERP API for Google Jobs, where user can bookmark jobs and these bookmark jobs can later be used to generate a more targeted career roadmap. For example, if I search here software engineer and I give like these are the jobs available. Software engineer Microsoft, and on clicking view profile we can also view which job. Now another feature is the quiz module. So on clicking on the quiz module, it allows user to enter any topic and generate an AI powered multiple choice quiz, and the app evaluates the score, saves previous quiz attempts, and help user to track their learning progress over time. So now if I search basic maths, it will generate quiz related to basic maths only. So now I have used Grok API to fetch the quiz. So like what is 2 plus 2, 4, and now next question 5 minus 1, 4, and then 7 into 3, 21, and then 9 by 3, 3, and then 11 minus 1. One of the most striking feature and the main feature of our project is the AI interview simulator. One of the main features of AI simulator where the user will enter the target, role, and the skills, and the system will generate interview questions. The user answered the question using voice, and the system transcribes the answer, analyzes the content, evaluates the voice tone, and tracks body language through the camera. At the end, it generates a detailed interview report with scores and feedback. Like, for example, if I search here business and the skills required are right as communication. Now my video will be opened and I would be able to hear what the interview
Can you tell
want
me
to
about a
say.
time when you faced a communication challenge in a project and how you handled it?
Yes, actually, there was a time when I faced a challenge in my project and I handled it very efficiently. It will process my answer, it gives my response, converting the speech into text, and then gives the
Describe a situation where
evaluation.
your communication skills could have been improved and what you learned
Roles,
from that
strengths, and
experience.
areas of improvement with the confidence score and the voice analysis sentiment. I'll again start recording and I'll describe a situation where my communication skills could have been improved. It was a situation where I was to speak in front of hundreds of people in the auditorium. And I learned a lot from that experience that how communication skills matter a lot during interviews and every time it matters, it develops your overall personality. So now it also analyzes the body language using CNN and the YOLO model and it gives confidence score on the basis of a
How do
body
you approach
language.
communicating complex ideas to stakeholders who may not have a technical background?
In order to approach communicating complex ideas to the stakeholders, I use a intermediate person to help who is both of a technical background as well as to that background which is suitable for the stakeholders. It will ask 5 questions in a row. I'm getting my strengths and my areas of improvement.
Tell me about a successful collaboration with a team or client where your communication skills played a key role.
It was because of my communication skills I was able to make a project successful.
When working in teams, how do you ensure everyone is on the same page and clearly understands the objectives?
In order to make sure that everyone is on the same page and clearly understand the objective, I make sure that I reach out to them separately. Even if they are nervous or they are hesitant to speak about them, I reach them individually and ask them about their insights so that it can help make the project more efficient and more faster to complete the project at time. So my overall response was this. Every question, strengths improvement are given. This is the final row generated. So now, on the basis of this report, the this data is sent to the vector database, and in order to make the interview more improved and efficient for the next round, it will fetch this data and it will analyze the responses made by the user. So this was one of the features of our AI interview. Now the last feature is the generate resume feature, where we can generate resume in latex format, also download it and preview it in PDF form. When I click on generate resume, it will open the generate resume panel. For example, if I load some sample data and then I click on generate latex, it will generate the latex data, which is editable. So we can edit it here. We can enter our skills, personal info, summary, etc. When the latest source code it is generated using the grok model, I will click on generate resume preview. And then I can download it as PDF or as latex. So it provides one platform where users can not only view their ATS score and personalized roadmap, but also edit their resume. Now the chat feature allows us to chat with the peers who are of the same domain and background as us and who are looking for technical opportunities. Here is the feature where we can chat with other people. So this was our last feature. And also we have an AI chatbot where we can search for anything like what are my scores, and it will all the data has been sent to the vector database and it will give a result on the basis of the scores. Thank you.